Road trips mean a lot of time behind the wheel. Not only road trips before the pandemic hit, we spent most of our time on our cars, and with vaccination on rollout stage, that time is not far away. Modern cars are full to the brim with tech, but that doesn't mean there is nothing to add. In this video, you will get to know about the top 7 newest car gadgets that you should have in your car. The automotive sector is booming, and it's offering some cutting-edge gadgets in the newest cars for sure. But there are huge ranges of gadgets out there that can help you to push your car to give you a much better experience. So join me to find out about these gems. Hudly Wireless. More and more vehicles today feature heads-up displays, HUDs, that help drivers to keep their eyes on the road. If you are wondering what HUDs are, a heads-up display, or HUD, is a device that uses a transparent display to allow the viewing of data without the need to take the eyes from the front view of the road. Hudly Wireless is just that cool kind of gadget. It displays important information mirrored from your phones, such as navigation, speed, and car information. What you'll have to do is just pair up your smartphone with it wirelessly, of course, and it will cast all your smartphone data on the 6.2-inch transparent screen. If you want your car info on Hudly, then an optional OBD adapter is required. Hudly is impressive with a user-friendly installation and setup. With crisp images, Hudly HUD will be your solution for a stress-free and safe driving experience. Thinkware U1000. These days, dash cams are becoming more and more popular, and Thinkware is one of the leading and most trusted dashcam manufacturers from South Korea. The U1000 4K dashcam is the flagship model from this South Korean manufacturer. It offers fantastic front and rear video quality and lots of customizable features. This is Thinkware's first dashcam that allows you to remote view the video footage over the internet. Yes, it has cloud service. The U1000 comes in an elegant black and silver casing that almost resembles a wedge shape, making it stealthy. It is almost invisible from outside the vehicle unless you know what you're looking for. The front camera is excellent, delivering crystal clear 4K UHD video quality at 30 FPS. 150-degree wide-angle lens view minimizes blind spots. The back camera records in 2K QHD. It has features like geofencing, which alerts the user if the vehicle enters or leaves a pre-configured zone, and advanced parking mode, time-lapse, motion, and impact detection. Digital side view monitors. The side view mirror performs a key role in driver safety on the road. Silvered glass mirrors have been in existence for almost 200 years, but they have limitations like a limited field of vision and some blind spots. Toyota has introduced digital side view mirrors in its cars. The Lexus ES is the first car to offer these mirrors. The digital side view mirrors don't have any glass mirrors. Instead, they consist of cameras and screens. 2 rear-facing cameras replace the traditional side view mirrors. The transmission captured by these cameras is displayed on 5-inch monitors located inside the driver's cabin. The ergonomic design of the system allows the view around the car to be checked with less left-right head movement. The driver is given the option to manually enhance the view of the areas around their vehicle to obtain a complete peripheral picture. Display expands the car's environment during turns or when backing up. They are better equipped to handle rain and snow, allowing for better views, even in poor weather. Mobileye 8 Connect. Mobileye has been making news as a player in the autonomous vehicle market. They are the premier provider of collision avoidance systems. Among some of their products, Mobileye 8 Connect is the most advanced collision avoidance system. The Mobileye system's core component consists of a windshield-mounted vision sensor unit that includes a high dynamic range CMOS, HDRC camera, image processing board, and high-quality audio alert buzzer. With its integrated SIM card and access to the Mobileye Connect platform, the Mobileye 8 allows drivers to keep up to date about the car's safety-related behavior. Mobileye can provide up to 2.7 seconds forewarning before a collision with another vehicle or motorcycle, and up to 2 seconds before colliding with a pedestrian or cyclist. This advanced collision avoidance system gives you peace of mind and is a must-have gadget for your car. Auto-Vox Solar Wireless Backup Camera. We talked about dash cams earlier, but there is another camera in almost all modern cars, a backup camera, and there are gadgets to enhance its performance too. A technological world we live in. Backup cameras not only do they help you park and reverse the vehicle more accurately, but they also help in preventing an accident. The Auto-Vox Solar Wireless Backup Camera is just the one for you to go for the best. As the name suggests, it is solar-powered and sits nicely behind your vehicle's license plate. It is IP67 rated for water and weather resistance, so no worries on those rainy or snowy days. The thing that makes it so popular is that it is really easy to install. Take a screwdriver, get the license plate off, and then back on again. Done. A 5-minute process. The 5-inch monitor that comes with it offers a 480p view at 30 fps with a 110-degree rear view. It is really a reliable and easy-to-use rear view camera that you should have. Ford locking wheel nut. If you've got a set of sweet alloys on your car, you've likely got them protected with locking nuts, which can only be loosened with a special key. But these aren't invulnerable to thieves. So that is why Ford has come up with something that is just one of a kind and effective, of course. Ford has combined locking nuts with the new technology 3D printing to keep your alloys safe. Ford worked with industrial 3D printing supplier EOS to create the locking nuts, which feature unique contours based on the driver's voice. Not a fan of voice recordings? Don't worry. Ford says drivers could also use something like the car's logo or their initials to create the pattern if they don't want to record their voice. The nuts and key are 3D printed using acid and corrosion-resistant stainless steel. Inside the nut are unevenly spaced ribs and indentations to prevent a thief from making a wax imprint of the pattern. ROAV Viva Pro. Vocal assistants like Alexa and Siri have become an integral part of our lives and even found their way into newer cars. But not all cars are offering this service, so the question that comes to mind is, can you get yourself the luxury of getting Alexa on your car? Well, yes, the ROAV Viva Pro is here to give you exactly that. It is very well made and looks great in any car. Installation process? Plug the ROAV Viva Pro into the charging unit in your car, download the app, and you're ready to go. You can use pretty much all of Alexa's features on the Viva Pro and catch on to the voices pretty clearly. So take advantage of your voice assistants now, even in our cars, without having to pull out your phone with Viva Pro, and it's really cost-effective too. Like new inventions? Here's a video about some most satisfying inventions that you should be aware of. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And for more videos like this, hit that subscribe button.